an update on asset management. So for example, when the user clicks on a certain room, for example, this time it's room 22, and there is also an image for units or inventories that have a picture. So the user clicks in Latvian, this is image, and they could see the image. This is my home printer just for the demo. But at school, you could, all the units, all the critical units can be photographed and later on, so you could click and find it. So it says also the floor and the room number. So I'll close it for now. So for example, when we don't want to search the internet or we don't know how our specific unit looks like, you just click on an image and there you go.